This is SFCloud, your MetaTrader 5 platform, running entirely in the cloud, ready to trade in just minutes. No installations. No servers to manage. Everything is handled for you. You get a fully managed MT5 environment that runs any expert advisor, and you can access it straight from your browser, from anywhere. The features speak for themselves: managed infrastructure, instant browser access, full expert advisor support, and automatic provisioning, so your platform is always ready when you are. It comes down to one simple plan, just $6.99 a month. Sign in, and your dashboard goes live in seconds. Manage your environment, check your subscription, and monitor everything from a single panel. From there, jump straight into a live MetaTrader 5 terminal. Place and manage your trades, track your daily drawdown in real time, and let your expert advisors run without interruption. Full screen trading, total control. SFCloud takes the complexity out of running MetaTrader 5, so you can focus on what actually matters: trading.